In this video, I want to go over the weekly newsletter from Flying Research. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you the weekly newsletter from Flying Research, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is currently Friday, 4:31 p.m., sitting at 27 sales, $58 in royalties. That is going to put me at 1,605 sales for the month and a total royalties of 2,402. This is actually a record for me. I've never made this much in royalties or sales in a month. It's actually beating my last record, which was this past December. So that is very cool. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. First, I just want to apologize because I haven't been posting videos for the past 3 days. I've just been doing my taxes and my son is on spring break, so just been kind of busy. Plus, I kind of need a little break because I was putting out videos pretty much on a daily basis for the past almost 2 months, but I'm ready to get back into it. So when you sign up with Flying Research, you get a weekly email or newsletter. It comes out every Friday, and this is the one that they just sent out today, number 29. And so the first thing that they talk about is just some news, and it has to do with copycats selling their designs on Walmart. So according to Flying Research, people have been copycatting and they've been posting up onto Walmart. Now this has happened on Merch by Amazon ever since I started. It's just kind of part of the business. Me personally, I don't sell on Walmart. I have had a lot of my designs copycatted and sold on Redbubble before. Everybody deals with it differently. I don't know if you guys have been having this problem with Pretty Merch, but for some reason it will not stop ka-chinging. So I apologize for all the ka-chinging. If anybody knows how to fix the problem with Pretty Merch for the past few days, so we'll stop ka-chinging, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, so the way I deal with copycats is I just ignore them. I don't go after them. I don't report them to Merch by Amazon. To each their own. If you want to do that, that's fine. But me, I'm just trying to get out as many designs as possible. I don't want to have that take away time from me designing and uploading, right? Because I just don't think I'm ever going to be able to beat them. Yes, it does suck, but just part of the business. But you can still make a lot of money even with the copycats. But I guess there's people that have been copying cats designs on Walmart. If that's happened to you, let us know in the comments. Okay, now they talk about a trending niche, which is autism. So April is Autism Awareness Month. Here are some designs that are trending. Actually, towards the end of this video, I'm going to do a quick little Flying Research tutorial showing you how I use it and actually show you some really good autism niches that I found. Me personally, I've never really been able to do really well in the autism niche just because I haven't been able to find a good way to cross niche it or niche down. Maybe you guys have done well in this niche. Me, not the best. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the niche that they're recommending. So every week they always recommend a low competition evergreen niche, and the niche that they have for us today is Renaissance Fair. And I thought this was a cool one because, well, first let me just share with you what Renaissance is. So a Renaissance Fair, also known as a Renaissance Festival, is a themed event that recreates the ambiance of the Renaissance era, typically set in Europe between the 14th and 17th centuries. These fairs blend historical fact with elements of fantasy and popular interpretations of the period, offering an immersive, educational, and entertaining experience. I remember when I was a kid, they would take us for field trips to these Renaissance fairs, and I always thought they were really cool. We get like a big turkey leg. We'd make paper. I just have good memories of that. So I thought this was a cool niche. The search volume goes up in June. There it goes again during the summer. Now the trend over the past 5 years has been kind of choppy up and down. When we look at the key metrics for the US, there's 15,000 products, 7,000 clothing products, and 572 Merch by Amazon shirts. And we can go ahead and fact check this. When I type in Renaissance Fair to a Merch Informer, we will see that the Productor extension says right here 654, which kind of lines up, so it's about the same. Here are what some of the designs look like. You can see a lot of them are selling. This one has a 38. That seems almost too good to be true, probably because it has this sustainability feature. Maybe this is in that new category that has been popping up. But here we can see they're selling. They have reviews. If we go back here, take a look at some more information. Here are the keyword top performers for both Google and Amazon. And then a couple facts that the newsletter offers. Fact 1, building on a smaller niche. We have already in the report. Sometimes the I think these guys are from France because I've seen their YouTube channel. So sometimes the English doesn't really make sense. But building on a smaller niche we already had in the report. So maybe they recommended the jousting niche before I started doing these videos because I don't remember that niche, but that could be another niche for you. Fact 2, advertising is recommended. Great potential for an evergreen seller if you are placed good by the algorithm. All right, so you might want to run ads for this niche. Me personally, I don't really think it'd be, I probably wouldn't run ads for it, but to each their own. When we take a deeper dive, we can see some of the best sellers. I think the most important part for this niche when you're designing is to make sure you get a good font. I'm going to show you one of the designs that I designed here in a second. Let's see what they say right here. So Renaissance Fairs, where history meets fantasy, offers a unique canvas for themed designs that celebrate the era's spirit, focus on elements like knights, dragons, and jesters, using motifs in Old English script, like I just said, to evoke the fair's magical atmosphere. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, so yes, then let's see what they say here. So now they got some keyword pool you can use. So single keywords, long tail keywords, and my favorite part, they give us a better example listing. So this is the brand that they're giving us, the title, the 2 bullet points, and here is their score. This is actually the lowest score that I've seen since I've started doing these videos. So they give it an 8 for a niche, 8 for potential, and 4 for organic, which is really low. I think that only adds up to 20. Usually all the scores add up to at least over 22. I think the organic is a little too low. Maybe if it was over like 1,000, but that's just my opinion. And then here, this guy, Ron, every week they give us some type of clip art that we can use. I think it's pretty good. Comes with SVG and PNG. Then you can click his Etsy shop or check out his Etsy shop where he has more clip art that you can purchase and use for your print-on-demand Merch by Amazon business. All right, so that is the newsletter. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the design that I made. So like I was saying, the first thing I would recommend is to get a good font. And the place that I would always recommend to go for fonts is going to be Creative Fabrica. So I just typed in Old English. I got this one right here, but you could also type in like Renaissance. This one also looks pretty good. Old German, even maybe this one as well could work. But this one right here is the one that I decided to go with. And I actually used the clip art that Ron, the guy, recommended. And this is what I came up with right here. Don't Touch Me Peasant, which is kind of funny, using the clip art and the nice font. Basically, I did a copycat of this design right here. And a quick tip, like if you don't want to do just like a straight up copy, what you can do, like if you want to make a design similar like this, instead of just doing a straight up copy, because that's not really recommended, what you want to do is you want to add some type of clip art to the design, which is what I did right here. So I basically used a similar font. It's basically a similar design, but I added in some type of clip art. And this is my favorite way to design, where I just take clip art, put it in the middle, I put text on the top and on the bottom. Very simple. I'm not a great designer at all, but this style has been able to get me sales on Merch by Amazon over the years. All right, so this is a design that I came up with. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I think it's pretty good. Not the best, but it'll get the job done. And when we go to Amazon to go ahead and upload this, you can see this is what it looks like on the shirt. It's important that you make it nice and big and have it use all of the canvas space so that it's nice and big on the t-shirt. You want it to stand out. You want it to pop. You want it to catch people's eyes. And then here are the keywords. And I just use the keywords straight from the newsletter. Me personally, I would never do it this way. I would just copy and paste my title, use it as bullet 1, bullet 2, but that's just me. Then I would hit bullets so that I have the product description. When I click on the trademark to see if anything is trademarked, I highly recommend you get this extension from Productor. Help keep your account safe. Nothing pops up in red, so this looks like it's good. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this so you guys can see it on Merch by Amazon. But that is basically going to be the design and the newsletter. Now let me show you, or let's do a quick little tutorial and check out some of the trending niches on Flying Research. So the main reason why I like Flying Research, like I always say, is because of the seller tabs. They have other things that you can do, like the bestseller. I was actually taking a look here at their sales page, and they also have like keywords, uploading. Me personally, I'm not really into that. I just want to know what is trending. So when we click on this, we're going to see some trending designs. Right now, the Eclipse niche is just going crazy. That is one of the reasons why I've been having such a good week. Like I did $80 the other day, $100 a couple days ago. Yesterday was $50, and I'm already at $58 for the day. Eclipse is coming up. I think it's April 8th. So I'll be sad to see it go. Let's go back here and see what other niches we can find. So first thing is you don't want to do anything that says Baltimore Strong. That's related to the big container ship that hit the bridge. So don't do that. That's going to get you in trouble. That's human tragedy. But here we can see some autism. Like in April, we wear blue. You know, that's been made like a million times. So why would you make something like that? But what I did find was just these simple like text designs. Like I saw this one right here, Be Patient. I'm from the 1900s. That's pretty funny. Now, again, I don't know if that's trademarked or anything, so you might want to check. But here are a couple autism ones that I found. So like, Do You Even Stim, Bro? This is kind of a knockoff of the Do You Even Lift, which is a gym design or gym t-shirt. But here they're saying, Do You Even Stim, Bro? And stim is basically like a shorter way to say autism. I checked the competition on this. It actually looks pretty low, so this could be a good option for you guys. Don't know how many are selling. We can see this one has gone to sale. And there was another one. Well, here's like a Jesus, man. Here's like a simple text one, Chasing Babies and Jesus. Again, don't know if that is trademarked. Let's see if I can find that other autism one that I was talking about. Oh, looks like it doesn't want to load. But there was another autism one. Oh, there it goes. Just Let Me Stim, Bro. So this is another one kind of similar like that. Stim, again, is short for autism. I think there was more competition for this one. We can see a duplicate, and that's basically how I like to do it. I like to come in here, look for duplicates. That's going to tell me what is trending, what is selling, and then I can make something similar using my own creativity. All right, now if you want to sign up for Flying Research, I do have an affiliate link in the description. So in this video or any one of my videos, it's going to be the 5th link right here that says Flying Research. It will take you to this page right here. I want to thank everybody that has signed up to Flying Research using my link. It helps support me and the channel. But the one or the package that I like is the research one, this one right here, because all I really care about, like I say in all of these videos, is just the seller trends. I don't really care about AI, trademarks, keywords upload. I just want to know what is basically trending so I can make something similar. All right, so that is going to be the video for today. Again, I apologize for not getting up so many videos the past few days. I should be back on it. There is one more week. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the live this Monday because, again, my son is off school for 2 weeks. I'd like to be able to do it where I will not be distracted. He'll be at school. My girlfriend will be at her dance class. So maybe in 2 weeks I will do the live. But I should have videos back on a regular basis. That's going to be it for today. Hope you guys are having a great Easter break, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.